Looking for a solid way to protect your wealth and grow your investments? Gold has stood the test of time as a safe haven asset for centuries. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about investing in gold, from the different ways to invest to tips on maximizing your returns. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to diversify, stay tuned to discover why gold could be the golden key to your financial future. Investing in gold can be a smart move to diversify your portfolio. It includes stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Gold is not affected much by inflation and can protect against economic ups and downs. As a beginner, you can choose from physical gold, gold IRAs, gold futures, and gold ETFs. There are good options for starting your gold investment journey. Gold is suggested to be 5 to 10% of your portfolio as a long-term inflation hedge. How to invest in physical gold? Investing in physical gold, like gold bullion and coins, is a solid way to diversify your portfolio. Gold bullion comes in various sizes, from small wafers to large bricks. Gold coins, such as the American Gold Eagle, are also a favorite among investors. When you buy physical gold, it's important to choose trusted gold dealers. This ensures the gold is real and of good quality. Also, think about the costs of storing and insuring your gold investment. Safe places like a home safe or a safety deposit box can protect your gold. Investing in physical gold gives you a sense of control over your assets. But it also means you must take care of storing and keeping it safe. Knowing your options helps you make a smart choice for your investment strategy. How to invest in gold securities? Investors looking for a simpler way to invest in gold might find gold securities appealing. Gold ETFs and mutual funds let you own a mix of gold-related assets. This mix can help spread out risk and potentially profit from the gold market's performance. On the other hand, buying stocks in gold mining companies can be a smart move. These stocks often grow in value as gold prices increase, and mining companies make more money. Gold ETFs and mutual funds. Gold ETFs and mutual funds make investing in gold easy. They give you a share of various gold-related assets, like gold bullion and mining stocks. With costs usually under 1%, they're a budget-friendly way to get into the gold market. Some top choices include the VanEck Gold Miners ETF, GDX, and the SPDR Gold Shares ETF, GLD. Gold mining stocks. Investing in gold mining stocks is another way to tap into the gold market. These stocks can pay dividends, unlike physical gold. They also let you choose specific companies based on their environmental record. Consider Barrick Gold Corporation, Gold, and Newmont Corporation, NEM, for your investment. Other ways to own gold. There are more ways to own gold than just physical gold and gold securities. A gold IRA lets people hold coins or bars in a retirement account. This is good for those wanting to spread out their investments and protect against inflation. Gold jewelry is another way to own gold. It's not as liquid as other gold investments, but it's a real way to hold gold. It might also go up in value if gold prices rise. But the resale value of jewelry is usually less than what you paid for it. If you're into gold as a collectible, rare coins or bars could be a good choice. These items might increase in value over time, attracting both collectors and investors, but they can be more expensive and less easy to sell than common gold investment. Conclusion: investing in gold can add value to your portfolio. It acts as a shield against inflation and market ups and downs. As a new investor, you can pick from physical gold, gold IRAs, ETFs, mutual funds, or mining stocks. Gold may not grow as fast as other investments, but it keeps your wealth safe during tough times. When you invest in gold, it's key to know the risks and costs. Adding gold to your mix can make your investments more stable and potentially more profitable. This can lower your risk overall. Thinking about gold portfolio allocation can make your investment plan stronger and more resilient. Always do your homework and talk to financial experts before investing in gold. This ensures your gold investment fits your financial goals and risk level. With the right strategy, investing in gold can be a smart move in the changing financial world.